Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. In the second session, we have Grammar Galaxy 3, right? Alright, so now, do you have the textbook near you, everyone? If you have the textbook near you, please open the book all together on page 28. Okay, here I am on page 28. Are you at the same page, everyone? Very good. Okay, so now you can look at page 28. There are 3 activities here or 3 exercises that you are going to complete or that you are going to understand more about past continuous. And one more, past simple versus past continuous, right? You will understand more about this one. Okay, so now you can look at part E. Complete each sentence with the given words in the past continuous. Okay, so you have some words in the bracket. You just complete the words in the blanks by using past continuous. And number 1 is given as an example. You can see the word read. So, okay, Pablo is one person. So Pablo is one person, refer to he. So he used with words, right? So you say was read, was reading. Okay, so number 1 is given as an example. Alright, and we have 5 more for you. We have number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would like you to complete it first, and after that, I will correct for you. Okay, so how to complete it first? You have to be careful with the subject. What do you have to use, was or were? And after that, you just add ing to the verb in the bracket. That's enough, right? Okay, so now do it. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me, everyone. They use with what, everyone? They use with were, right? Okay, they were. How about the word watch? When you add ing, watching. Okay, they were watching. Okay, you can read the full sentence. They were watching a really funny movie. Okay, so now let's continue to number 3. You use with were, right? Okay, you use with were. How about the verb in the brackets? Not, right? Not listen. Okay, not listen. So were you change to weren't. Okay, weren't. Listen you change to listening, right? You weren't listening to me. Okay, how about number 4? The birds. Only one bird or a lot of birds, everyone? A lot of birds, because bird with a, right? So we use with were. Okay, we use with were. Let's continue. The verb in the bracket is sing, right? So sing you change to singing. Okay, were singing. So now read the full sentence. The birds were singing early in the morning. Okay, number 5, the computer. Only one computer, right? So you was. Okay, very good. One computer we use was. And the verb in the bracket, not work, right? Not work. So what you have to add not, or you write the contraction form wasn't. Okay, wasn't. And work you add ing, work, working, right? Okay, work, working. The computer wasn't working last night. Okay, number 6. I use with was, right? I use with was. And the verb in the bracket have. Have when you change to ing, when you add ing, you have to delete e, right? Okay, so have having. Okay. I was having lunch with my friends at 1 o'clock. Okay, so now we finish part A, and I hope we finish part E, and I hope your answers are correct. Okay, so now let's continue to part F. F, unscramble and write. And number 1 is given as an example. You can look at the word here. We have well, the, playing, team, was, and question mark. So it must be question, right? Question, it must start with was or were. So now you have to find was or were first. So can you find here was, right? So you have to write was, and after that put the subject. So what is the subject? The team. Okay, the team is the subject. The team, and after the team, verb ing and g. So playing. Okay, playing, and the last word it must be well, and don't forget a question mark. Okay, so now we have 3 more for you, and I have 30 seconds for you to complete this, and after that I will correct for you. Okay, do it now. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me, everyone. Number 2, you were party enjoying question mark. So you have to find was or were, right? Okay, so here you can find were, and after were find the subject. What is the subject? You, right? You. Okay, you is the subject, and after that verb ing and g. Enjoying. Okay, enjoying. The last one, the party. We cannot say party, right? The party and question mark. How about number 3? Find was or were. You can find was, right? Okay, was. And what is the subject here? Nora. Okay, Nora is the subject. And after subject, verb ing and g. What is verb ing here? Cooking. Okay, cooking is verb ing and g. After verb ing, we have one more word, dinner, right? Okay, cooking dinner, and don't forget a question mark. Okay, now let's continue to number 4. Were. Okay, we can find were here. So you write were, and after that the subject. What is subject here? They, right? They is the subject, and then verb ing, going, right? Going is verb ing and g, and we have one more, to the beach, right? Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Question mark. Okay, so now we can finish part F, and I think your answers are correct, right? Okay, so now we have one more exercise for you to complete. Yeah, and after that we can finish our session. And in this session you can practice a lot, right? And I think you can understand a lot about past continuous. And one more, simple past versus past continuous. Okay, now let's continue to part G. G, look at the timeline. Fill in each blank with the given verb in the simple past or the past continuous. This one I told you already, right? When you see the verb in progress or they are ongoing, yes, so we use past continuous, right? But if you see the time is exactly in the past, yeah, and it happened quickly, it starts quickly and ends quickly in the past, so we use a simple past, right? Okay, so now you can look at the timeline. The first one is given as an example, right? We were, okay, you can look at the timeline first. Okay, shopping, you see, the action is in progress or the action is ongoing, right? Yeah, so here you must use this one. It must be shopping, right? Or was shopping. Were, oh, because the subject is we, so we use were. We were shopping. Okay, so this one you use were shopping. Were shopping. Okay, how about this one? So one in past continuous, in the other one it must be past simple, right? So we lost all our money. Lost. Okay, now we have number 2 and number 3. Look at the timeline carefully and then write past continuous or past simple. Okay, do it now. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now you can look at the timeline all together, everyone. Talk is in progress, right? So it must be past continuous. But the verb drop is not in progress, so you use simple past. Okay, look at the subject I, right? So I use with was. I was talking to my friend. Okay, I was talking to my friend. I drop, right? I drop my phone. Okay, so drop you write in simple past. I drop my phone. Okay, how about number 3? Okay, you see rain is in progress, right? So you use past continuous. But come is not in progress, so you use past simple. Okay, and the subject is it, so it must be was, right? It was raining for hours. Okay, so you must write was raining. It was raining for hours. Then the sun came out. Okay, then the sun came out. Okay, so now I hope you can look at the timeline and you can understand the timeline very well. When you see the verb in progress, you use past continuous. But when you see the verb is not in progress, so you use past simple. That's it, right? Okay, so this is the end of our lesson for today, and I hope you can understand a lot about past continuous and past simple very well. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye, class.